Yeah, welcome back guys for another video. Today's Friday, last day of the week to trade. So far, I would say this week was the worst week for me because I was over trading like crazy. Um, I think that was yesterday. Yesterday I was over trading crazy because I'm doing a challenge right now, the 21 Rocket Challenge, a Rocket 21 Challenge. And the only thing I had left was about like $800 what I had left to complete the challenge, and I ended up taking a loss, and that one loss ended up, what I'm saying, like ended me get on a drawdown like a little bit, but having FOMO kind of like pushed me push me to keep going on trading, and I end up losing more, and yeah, I was over trading overall. So this video is pretty much gonna be about how my whole week went on this trading. I was trading two accounts, my trading Rocket 21 challenge account and my personal account. So on my personal account, I took 26 trade this whole week, which is pretty much way too much because technically on my trading plan, I'm supposed to only take two trades a day, which means I should only be taking about 10, 10 trades a day. I mean 10 trade for the whole week, right? I end up taking 26. That's literally over trading. And out of those 26 trade, I've lost 17 of them, and I won nine out of them. Um, yeah. So like I was saying, personal account like was over trading that one, and like I said, I had FOMO, fear of missing out, and I also was revenge trading, which is also bad for psychology. And today I was supposed to take a break from all this bad trading, but I end up saying like, you know what? There's still opportunity out there, so there's no point for me to not trade. So I end up trading, and this trade right here is not currently active. It was just where I took a trade, but then this pretty much where I would have took a trade, which would have been good for me, but I didn't take that trade. I let it I let it do what it was supposed to do. But my first trade entry was somewhere up here, but I ended up getting stopped out. I should not really necessarily stopped out. I closed it because I was getting in dry down too much, and I didn't like the fact that I was in dry down. Um, but the setup was a good setup, but I was not patient enough to let this one play out. But overall, um, I took two losses today also, which added up to my 26 my 26 trade overall for my personal account. Um, I'm not mad about that trade at all, but I knew where I messed up at, so I could do better because I knew like structure broke on M15 right here with those two candles. All I needed was a retest to buy on a retest, which I waited to buy on a retest, but when the setup came for me to buy on that retest, I didn't take it because I already took my two loss, which is two trade I'm supposed to take a day. So I decided to go with the plan and not take the trade. But here we are. Trade is about like 30 pips in profit right now if I were to take it. But one thing I'm trying to do right now is trying to keep following my plan, stay on my trading plan, like stick to it because every time I go beyond it and I don't follow everything that's on my trading plan, I end up taking L's that I'm not supposed to take. So this Friday, 19 May, um, pretty much gonna start following my trading plan, and from now on, it's gonna be just two trades a day. Whether it's a win or lose, it's gonna be just two trades a day, and then keep continue building my account to pass that challenge and to get funded with Rocket 21 and then start another profit challenge like FTMO and top tier trader funded account. So those are the three prop firm I'm gonna try to get funded with: FTMO, top tier trader, and Rocket 21. Yeah, so my funded account, I took 19 trade. I won 10 of them, and nine, I took 9 L's. So overall, if I were to rate myself for this whole week, it will totally be a F, like F, because did not follow my trading rules. I mean, I did some of it, not to the T, but everything I was supposed to do, I didn't really do everything. Um, like I was saying, I need to keep following my trading rules because my trading plan, because that's the only way I will be like, you know, be getting funded and be a successful trader. Because if I don't follow my trading plans, my trading rules, I'm only taking L's in here. So every time I follow them, you know what I'm saying, I always take the dub. But yeah. Um, so gonna go over one of the trade that I have a couple of screenshot of the trade that I took. So this was one of the trade that I took. Don't remember which one was that. That was within the 15. That was a Monday. This pretty setup was pretty good. Good setup. That's M15. Um, also break structure up here, and it was doing high lows, high lows, and next high low that was made, that was like a retest, and I took it. But one thing I was struggling with this whole week was holding my trade until the TP hits, right? And I've been on a break even, but my break even been like it's good, but at the same time I'm been stopping myself up or like for 15 pips, you know. But that's one of the trade I took. This one was all but the same thing. I took that I took this sell. It was good setup, but did not hold that trade long enough. That was one of the thing I'm struggling with. But that is also in my trading rules and trading plan to hold the trade until TP hits, and I've been not doing that. I haven't been letting my trade play out. That I have no idea why I keep doing that, but it's happening. So I noticed that. So it should be easy fix, you know. Like when I find a good setup, everything is going with the trend. Like it's for trend stuff like that. I just gotta hold it, you know. But this was the result of that trade. So my this setup right here, um, and it was going down, and it actually did everything perfectly, you know. But I didn't hold it long enough because I had fear for that trade to retrace on me. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I didn't hold them back. But in the future, I know what to do. I'm just you know hold the trade like I'm supposed to. And this was one of the trade also I took. Didn't stay in for too long, like it says right here. Didn't stay for full TP, which is one of the thing I've been doing to myself. It's counterproductive in a sense because all my good setups, I'm not staying in long enough. But then again, when my trade start retracing on me and I get drawn down, I end up moving my stop loss a little bit below and end up losing more than I should be losing. So, but yeah, this is what I've been going on with me. Right now, I'm just looking at this setup that I took. That's like easy 30 pips, you know, on this setup right here, easy 30 pips, which is the my daily goal. You know what I'm saying? But didn't take that trade. It was, I mean, I did took a buy, but did not hold it long enough. Not that I did not long. It's not like I didn't hold it long enough. I closed out because I entered too early. That was the thing. I entered too early because M15 broke, and I was waiting for the retest on the M15, but I went to M5. M5 wasn't ready, but I went way too below, like on a 1 minute, and I took it on 1 minute, which was not a good idea because my entry was right here, somewhere up there, right? It was right here, somewhere up here. That was where my entry was, which is not necessarily a bad entry, but way too early, right? Because if my TP, if my stop loss is 15 pips, right, I'll be stopped out, right? So one thing I did was I was moving my stop loss below than it was supposed to be, so I ended up like seeing the drawdown was going um further. And the thing is, I was telling myself that if I'm wrong, then I need to know that I'm wrong and close it out. So that's what I did. So, but then again, the setup did go to bullish, but yeah, this is what happened. I'm not too worried. I know the mistake I made this week. Yesterday was bad because overtrading, and every day before that it was pretty good. I was on a roll, like I was taking like you know what I'm saying. I was taking good trade, although didn't stay for the full TP, but it was good trading from Monday until Wednesday. Then Thursday messed it all up. But Friday could have been a good day for me, but entered too early. But setup was perfect. But anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, this was the result of my trading week for this week from the 15 and 19 May 2023. You know, I would say we are doing good, catching on our mistakes, and definitely gonna grow and do better for next time. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Um, if you guys like this type of content, just hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Sunday for my next drop for my weekly analysis for GU. Yes. So, yes, see you guys on next video.